Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about the Dow Jones, or as some of you may know as US 30. Okay, so here I have the daily time frame and I'll break down exactly where we are right now, which is right here. This is the daily candle for today and where I think we are going next, right? So as you guys can see right here on the left, this is the previous all-time highs for the Dow Jones, and we are looking like we're going to the same direction. Now, this is a huge area of supply, and if you're new to the channel or if you've watched previous videos, we know that in areas where you have supply, there's that's a perfect sell area, price for us to sell and hedge against, right? So we're currently going higher, and if we break down exactly where we are, this is all going to make a lot of sense. Now, we made this high. After this high, we had a huge sell-off, and on March, I believe, is when we had been like ending the conflicts with war and everything. So we just had a reversal all the way back. Like, this is a perfect V shape, right? And if we look here, I have a couple of areas marked, right? So we have this line right here. This is to me a higher low, and this is a retest on this higher low. Now we broke above, made another higher low, made a higher high, and now we're looking like we're maintaining a higher low right here. So our goal is to either go and break this previous high right here, but this is where I think we should be careful, because if we are breaking this high right here, we are approaching the level of supply. So some things that we have to take in consideration is if price is very, very high like this is what I was talking about in the last video. We usually need some sort of correction to the downside. We need some retracement to the downside. We need a pullback, right? And so I believe we're making higher highs right here and higher lows, and we are just respecting today. And we have news during the week. So let me see if I can show the news. Yeah, so this is the Forex Factory. Let me refresh it here. Today is May 12, and we currently had news at 8:30. We have API at 4:30, and tomorrow is Wednesday, so we have 8:30 core PPI and PPI, and then this is probably at 12 Fed chair nomination vote, right? This is very important news. Now, when we have the Fed chair nomination vote, I was looking at some things on X, and we basically push price down, right? So usually there's a huge sell-off after the Fed chair changes, right? And then Thursday we also have 8:30 news. So these are a couple important news for the week. Red folders means high impact news. And if we go back to the chart, we're pushing price higher, right? If we're pushing price higher, means that we're clearing some levels right here that we can see, and going into the 50,100 mark to then possibly go to the the supply area right here. Now, if we have the supply area, I do really think we could reject from this area and start breaking all these lows, right? And I don't have a target in mind. I just want to make sure that I am trading in the right direction, right? So here are a couple other levels I have marked on NASDAQ as well. These are all levels I'm looking to either get broken and like follow the exact pattern that we see on the left, because they are so they are so smooth, so overextended, that look at this, just green, and then we have the first correction today, and then we'll see how it goes tomorrow, right? And then here's a quick sneak peek on my trade. I'm currently still on this trade right now. It's open about 12 points with a 10-point stop. I have not moved this trade to break even. I might do soon, but this is right here. The blue line is my first take profit. All right, this is my first take profit, and the second take profit is right up here at around 60 points. Um, so going back to this, like this move right here, we are probably gonna uh, make a V shape on this, clearing all this level right here after. All right, so this is just for us to see, and of course collect some data. If I'm right about this and history repeats itself, I'll be very happy. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.